Hey everyone, welcome back to Econiti. I'm Komal, and as promised, I am back here to present to you our adaptive learning platform. The entire Econiti team is actually very excited. So, the purpose of this video is to give you a walkthrough of the platform. I will not take much of your time. I know it is very limited right now. You can already see that this is a short video. But before I begin, I do want to give you a very brief context of where this platform is coming from. So, while teaching students preparing for competitive examinations like RBI Grade B, TPR, I have noticed a pattern, a problem that shows up again and again, which is that most of my students work hard, but a lot of them still prepare without clarity. किसी को पता ही नहीं होता है कि उनका करंट लेवल क्या है। पहले सिर्फ पढ़ाई करते रहते हैं, फिर एंड में एक टेस्ट सीरीज का सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लेते हैं और फिर एक स्टैंडर्ड शेड्यूल फॉलो करना शुरू कर देते हैं। Someone else's schedule built for a hypothetical average student. That's how most preparation platforms work. Same for everyone. जैसे हर स्टूडेंट आइडेंटिकल हो, बट दैट्स नेवर ट्रू, राइट? हर स्टूडेंट अलग होता है। किसी की स्टैट स्ट्रांग होती है, इकोनॉमिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स वीक होते हैं, किसी के कॉन्सेप्ट्स बहुत स्ट्रांग होते हैं लेकिन दे स्ट्रगल विद स्पीड। समवन हैज 4 months लेफ्ट और किसी के पास सिर्फ 4 हफ्ते होते हैं, लेकिन हर किसी को सेम चीज चिपका दी जाती है। एंड इन सब के बीच में स्टूडेंट्स कंफ्यूज रहते हैं, लाइक देयर इज अ क्वाइट एंजाइटी दैट वट एवर आई एम कवरिंग, एम आई कवरिंग द राइट थिंग्स, एम आई एट द राइट लेवल, जितना टाइम बचा है क्या वो काफी है, right? So the question is that when this problem exists, why don't learning platforms, start at your level? And the simple reason is that they don't know your level because they've never actually measured you. And that never made sense to me as an educator. And that thought slowly became the starting point for building this platform, which eventually became Zaptic. Now, honestly, Zaptic is not exactly a real world. We kind of built the word around the problem that we were trying to solve, but the meaning behind it matters a lot to us. So here it goes. In mathematics, x is the unknown, right? The variable that every equation is trying to solve for. And in many ways, every student preparing for an exam is also an x, not because something is missing, but because their actual potential hasn't been measured properly yet. It's unknown. And no one really ever tried to solve for that X. They just assume that everyone should get the same questions at the same difficulty level in the same order. But our philosophy at Econiti is student first. And so we wanted to build something that first understands the student, understands you. So when someone comes to Zaptic, the first thing the platform tries to understand is where are you currently standing? Your strengths, weak areas, how much time is left before the exam, what deserves your attention first. And from there, things begin adapting. The plan, the sequence, the priorities, even the difficulty level over time. So that's the apt part in Zaptic. Apt means something that fits correctly. It's not random, it's not generic, it is suited to your situation. Finally, there is the IQ part, which is basically the intelligence layer that is quietly working underneath the platform, continuously learning from your performance and progress. So, yeah, X Apt IQ, Zaptic, a platform designed not for an average student, but for the student behind the screen, the specific X that you are. Okay, so now enough talking. Let me show you how actually the platform works. Okay, so this is the platform that we have over here. What you can see is that right now there's only RBI Grade B exam that we have. Along this page, you have the entire philosophy that I talked about. And Once you click here, when you click the Explore RBI beta, as I said, this will be a beta version, then you get here. So when you click it, this is where you reach and you can start your diagnosis. So here you can see that you have two ways to assess yourself. What we have done is we have designed a baseline test. This baseline test it's basically a shorter version of the full RBI test. Exam style questions and across all subjects, whatever subjects come in the exam. This system is going to score you, right? And it's going to build a plan around what your score is, right? Around where you actually stand. So you will have real MCQ questions, real timing and everything. And the plan output that will come, of course, will be very, very precise. The other option is that you go for a self-assessment, right? So what I'll do is I'll first show you the baseline test. So when you enter over here, when you enter the platform, you can either click on RBI Grade B DPR or you can start exploring. And then when you scroll down, you will come here. Let me first show you how the baseline test works. So far, you can do all this without, any form of registration, any form of mobile number and email ID. अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं करना, ठीक? Then, of course, you have instructions over here. These are the instructions that you have in the RBI exam as well. Computer-based exam, you will have a timed test. We have just halved the duration of the test for the baseline. So you have, in the actual exam, you have 65 questions. Here you have 32 questions and 4 answers, 4 options, 1 correct answer. And I will also walk you through how the entire interface looks like. So let's say that I'm ready and let's start the test. I'm not going to take the test, okay? So don't worry. I will just show you what all exists on this page over here. So you have over the left hand side over where my cursor is, you have section A and B just like there is in the exam. What you can do is you can click on the question and you can move to different questions which appear on the screen over here. You can also see that the timer is running over here. You can, if that makes you nervous, you can just switch it off and switch it on whenever you want to check. For section A, of course, +1 correct, -0.33 wrong, which is what happens in the exam. There is a color scheme that is being followed. So if you have already answered a question, for example, let's say that if money demand is highly interest elastic, then the LM curve will be flat, right? So in that case, when you move to the next question, you will see that it's already marked green, which means that it is answered. Another option is to revisit a question. So जब हम एग्जाम में दे रहे होते हैं कुछ चीज़ ऐसी कुछ क्वेश्चन ऐसा होता है जो हमको लगता है कि भाई अभी श्योर नहीं है, we'll spend time on it later. What you can do is, suppose this is that question, you mark it to revisit later, and then this will be marked in yellow so that you know that ये वाले question पे हमको वापस जाना है. Or when you are done that, then you can just click over here and the selection will be removed. Apart from that, there is one very, very interesting feature of this that I want to tell you about is that ये देखो यहाँ पर when you click all, you start seeing all the questions at once, right? So you can scroll down and see कि कौन से questions हैं, कौन से हुए, कौन से नहीं हुए. There's also this focus mode. So this focus mode will show you only one question at a time. The most useful aspect about this is that this entire platform is also tracking. You can see a small timer that is running over here also. It is tracking the time you are spending on each question individually. So if I go to this, the timer starts from 0, right? Because I haven't started or even clicked on this question. But for question number 2, something, even though I've chosen, if I'm reconsidering it, timer keeps on going. So what you can do is, after this, you have that data as well. Of course, the system will have that data and it will present to you in a manner that is very useful for you. But for every question, there is this timer running, all right? So this is the way all your tests will be. ये तो baseline है. इसको देखकर when you will submit, so you can click something. I'm not going to follow this path because I want to show you the shorter path. So then when you do that, you can finally choose to submit the test and the plan will be generated. But we are not going to go that way. We're going to go back, all right? and we are going to go back to home. And home पे जाके फिर से हम यहाँ पर आएंगे जहाँ पे we are going to do this other alternative कि भाई नहीं मन है टेस्ट लेने का, although I personally recommend that you take the test for very accurate results. But suppose you're in a hurry or you just want to check out, you can do this self-assessment. So let me start with this self-assessment. Here you will see that these are all the topics, so subjects, groups. Remember in the RBI video, strategy video, I told you that now that the time is less, you need to group the subjects. So in on this platform, वो grouping हमने already करके रखी है, so that you can just, the tests also come that way, you study also that way, you prepare also that way. Cool. So then what you see is that यहाँ पे you can do a guide, you can do a rating, where you have, if you choose 1 star, you yourself give yourself assessment कि भाई इसमें हम beginner हैं या कि intermediate हैं या कि भाई हम advanced हैं. You can either, यहाँ से जैसे growth, development and environment, this is one group that we created. यहाँ पे either you can see कि भाई हम इसमें हमें सारा आता है, so you choose 3, or if you want to go at a finer level, you can see that you can choose, suppose तुम्हें growth and development आता है but environment नहीं आता है, you choose this to be beginner and this to be full, right? Similarly for Indian Eco, suppose you are a intermediate, I'll just click some random things so that I can show you that what kind of a plan is generated. Suppose my micro is intermediate and my quant is let's say advanced, right? Then I click generate my plan, and then the system reads your inputs and it generates a plan. So what you have here, first of all, it shows that what all is included. So there are a total of 15 tests, जिसमें के you have 5 full length mocks and you have 10 subject wise tests, and those subject wise tests are actually these groups. So you don't have to take every subject individually. जब सब्जेक्ट को ग्रुप करोगे तो जैसे आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, ग्रुप करने से कौन से क्वेश्चंस छोड़ने हैं उसकी भी प्रैक्टिस हो जाती है. दिस इज अ टेस्ट, दिस इज एन एग्जाम व्हिच हैज नेगेटिव मार्किंग एज वेल. सो as you can see, ये तुम्हारे advanced areas है मेरे, the one I chose. Macro and quant are good for me, but I'm still beginner in these 3 areas. Now this, because the only 4 weeks are left, that has been taken into account by this platform and it has generated a 4-week study plan for you. This is the calendar which will clearly show you कि कौन से टाइम में टेस्ट लेना है, ठीक है, कब जो है वो टेस्ट सब्जेक्ट टेस्ट है, and when is the break for you to study. So when you scroll, this is all the way till June 10th. This is a 4-week plan. If you take a bit later or you start a bit later, of course this will move. So ये पूरा calendar बन के ready रहेगा. The details will be over here, right? So you have all these details. किस दिन कौन सा test है? This depends on कि what were your weak and strong areas. So if you are starting at a point where you have a lot of weak areas, but the time is less, then this is not going to push you to take sectional tests. एम ये रहेगा कि आप एग्जाम से पहले सारे के सारे फुल लेंथ मॉक्स तो लेके ही रहो, ठीक, सो दैट आप प्रिपेयर्ड रहो. जैसे हर सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर फोकस करना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. रिमेंबर, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम टॉप नहीं करना है, क्वालिफाई करना है. उसी सेम फिलोसफी पे दिस प्लेटफॉर्म हैज बीन बिल्ट. इट इज इंटेलिजेंट इनफ टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. Cool. Now, before you actually commit to even registering, you can download the plan for free. यहाँ से download, यहाँ पे click करोगे, a PDF, you can download a PDF from here, and you will have the entire plan. Suppose you have a test package that you've taken from some other place, definitely you can do that. यहाँ से बस आप plan ले लो, ये भी कर सकते हो. Till then, there's no commitment so far. Okay. Now, suppose if you do decide कि हाँ भाई, let's take the plan. So then you can see that already we have by default applied the promotional offer because this is the beta version and we are giving beta access free to everyone. So you will not have to pay anything. यहाँ पर you will just create your account. Alright, so I will just create my account, and so let's say this is my name and my email address. Right, and I will also put up my numbers. I'm not going to put it on the screen, and I will come back. So what it will do is it will send me a verification on my email. Let me just finish that and we will resume from there. So now that I have verified, I will simply sign in. And it will land me over here. I will simply activate my package and this is where I land. All right, so now I'm inside. This just shows that this is the package that I've brought. When we have more packages, you can see all the things over here. Now let me go to the overview page. So these are all the things that this platform Zaptec is going to report to you, and it is going to keep on updating for you. So when you go to the overview page, you can see that the exam countdown is over here. So that's the number of weeks and 2 days to go. I have rated myself very high, so 75% is my mastery. Um, because I have not taken any tests so far, कोई accuracy भी नहीं है. This will be the overall thing, and this will be whatever you have, the progress that you've made in a week. And this over here, very in a very cool way, is going to show you that how you're going to trek this path to the exam day. And when you click, you have the entire schedule for that week over here displayed. You know that what you have to do on every day. Some days are for studying, some days are for taking tests. Then you click on week 2, the plan for week 2 is there, and finally करते 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 चढ़ाई करके आप अपने एग्जाम डे पे प्रिपेयर्ड पहुंच जाएंगे. ठीक. Next test recommendations are already here, so you can start things from here as well. Again, there is another page that tracks your progress and performance. So what you have is that यहाँ पे it shows that तुम्हारा क्या subject में क्या mastery है और कौन से subject में you're at a good level. This is just an information that you have submitted. It will update when you take something else. यहाँ पे it just shows that what is your overall mastery, but you can also look at it subject wise. And ये जो चीज़ अभी flat है क्योंकि मैंने कोई टेस्ट लिया नहीं है. As you start taking tests, this will show a graph whether you're moving up or moving down. So you will have entire information about कि कैसे तुम्हारा progress हो रहा है और subject wise क्या progress हो रहा है. And you will also have these additional information के how many tests you have attempted, how many sets you have attempted, because you can take a test twice as well. If you have more time, something that you can always try, right? Attempts that you've used and how many tests are still open and you can retake. Okay. And finally, I want to take you to this my exams page. Suppose कि तुम्हारा plan generate हो गया है, but तुमको वो plan पसंद नहीं आ रहा है या तुम्हारा अपना plan बना हुआ है ना, तो ऐसा नहीं है that this platform will force you कि तुम वही plan follow करो. It will also work like a very normal test series that you buy. So you can go to the My Exams page. All the tests are here. These are the full syllabus tests, right? You can start taking them. You can have your own plan, or you can you have more time, you want to practice more. सारे tests यहाँ पर available हैं. You can just take them at your own convenience if you do not want to follow the plan. Even if you take them from here, the plan, the progress, the overview is still going to upgrade. So your progress will still be tracked, whether or not you follow the plan that has been generated. Okay. So yeah, so this is Zaptec. And actually, this is just the beginning. Right now, the beta version adapts using two foundational things: your baseline and the time left before the exam. Over time, we want the platform to become much more personalized, adapting to your progress, your revision patterns, your mistake patterns, the test performance, areas where you improve quickly, areas where you need repeated reinforcement, everything. Because the goal was never to build just another test series. The market में भरे पड़े हैं test series. The goal was to build something that feels a little more like guidance, something that reduces confusion. Now, since this is a beta, I also want to say this honestly, it is not perfect yet. Some features will improve, some things will evolve, some parts will probably break. सो अगर कुछ और बेहतर हो सकता है, प्लीज हमें बताइए. We are genuinely building this with feedback from the people using it. In a couple of days, it will have a feature where you can, report a bug, or you can suggest an improvement that you think will be helpful. So, if you are preparing for RBI Grade B DPR, I genuinely love for you to try it and give your feedback. Criticize it honestly. Because the best way to improve something like this is by building together with serious aspirants. Of course, also you need to remember that it is not magic. कोई भी platform तुम्हारा exam clear नहीं कराएगा. The work will still be yours. But now you will know what work to do, what order, what level. That's what Zaptic gives you. The beta, as I said, is completely free for this year's aspirants. The link is in the description. Please go ahead and give it a try. And if you know someone preparing for RBI DPR, feel free to share with them as well. Thank you, genuinely, for being a part of this journey with Econity. I will see you in the next video.